Hi, friends. I'm Reverend Anma, and I want to welcome you to Unity in the Gold Country, where we embrace a positive, powerful, practical, and inclusive approach to spirituality. We're here to help support you on your personal growth journey. We understand that it's times like these that feel turbulent or challenging when we want to seek deeper meaning and connection with community. Well, we do that, and here at Unity in the Gold Country, we offer spiritual tools to help navigate these times and give us resilience and also the reminders of what really matters. Please join us for our Sunday service program at 10:30 Pacific time, either in person here at Unity in the Gold Country, which is in Grass Valley, California, or online on our YouTube channel. During the same time, we have programs for our children where they get to explore their spirituality in a very deep and meaningful way. Beyond Sundays, we have book studies and workshops, concerts, monthly healing clinic. We have prayer circles. We have one-on-one prayer. So many things to offer you. And prayer really is at the heart of our community. So please avail yourself. You can request prayer online or come and join us in person or even call our office. No matter what's happening in the world, we have a deep and abiding faith in our divine nature. And you have a spiritual home here, a place of peace, belonging, and hope. We invite you to explore any of our offerings at any time, and we really look forward to meeting you in person or online. Blessings.